Okay. Come on, just walk across the room here now. No, she was not drinking from the still.
Oh God. Okay.
Look at her tilted. I always said she was a little off.